how in the world do you become these characters? The Chucky, the Grinch, the DMX, the Charlie Browns. How does that happen?
I study them. I study them. I studied them until I have gotten it into me that I'm going to be that character. The Dr. Seuss, that one was very challenging because the hair that I attached to my face for the beard or the cat hair here,
Mm-hmm.
it was synthetic. And I didn't know what would make synthetic hair adhere to skin. Let me
Mm-hmm.
tell you, it was dreadful because I thought it was going to be regular latex. Latex helps things adhere like quickly and dry down quickly. Latex didn't do it. Do you know what helped me glue their hair together?
What's
Lash
that?
glue. I had tons of lash glue on my face in this synthetic hair. I even have a removal video on TikTok. I wanted someone to help me. I needed help applying it and I needed help taking it off. It was dreadful, but that's why I had to come. I was doing a live. I had to come off the live and figure it out. Had to come off the live and figure it out. And I had to literally do pieces by pieces, pull, apply, pull, apply, pull, apply until I had enough on there. Now, what helped me is that I blacked my face out behind it so you couldn't see it because
Mm-hmm.
I was in trouble. I was in trouble. I was going to go to work looking like the cat in the hat. I was in trouble. I had glue all on my face, all in the name of pulling this look off.